Recipes and instructions for the newest and quickest way to make natural remedies in skincare. Available in paperback and Kindle, and this is a true book for herbalists. There are no cannabis recipes. Now, I first started making herbal teas in the early 1970s, and I've been making herbal remedies the old-fashioned way since the 1980s when I made my first herbal oil following the instructions of my mentor, herbalist Odina Brittam. Now, the Magical Butter Machine website does offer recipes, but not from an experienced herbalist. After a year of using the Magical Butter Machine, I have converted my recipes into this new way of making my herbal medicines and skincare. And you can follow me on YouTube as I demonstrate many of the recipes in the book. Now, the paperback has QR codes and the link to those YouTubes. The Kindle version links directly to the YouTube videos. Now, how easy is that? Make infused herbal oils with the Magical Butter Machine. Set it and forget it. Recipes for my famous Magic Water Comfort Oil, all-purpose healing oil, healing oils for the herpes simplex virus, healing oil for bruises and sprains. Now, once you have made your infused oils, I have recipes for ointments, salves, and balms, lotion bars, easiest to make body butter, homemade lotions with shea butter and cocoa butter. You can safely heat alcohol and make healing alcohol tinctures or enjoy homemade liqueurs, all made in one day, not weeks. Recipes for mint liqueurs, hibiscus liqueur, coffee, and fruit liqueurs. Make non-alcohol tinctures with glycerin. A glycerin tincture called a glycerite will capture the wonderful aroma and taste of the aromatic herbs like mint, basil, lemon balm, and rose-scented geranium. Make infused vinegars in one day, not weeks. Use infused vinegar as a healing remedy, for cosmetics, or to make your favorite salad dressing. Recipes for creamy salad dressings, basic vinaigrettes, honey mustard dressings, and more. The Magical Butter Machine will not work for all your herbal medicines, but for those that it does, wow. Use my book as a guide to make your favorite healing recipes faster and easier with the Magical Butter Machine. You can support my channel by following the link in the description bar. And thank you. And you might be an herbalist if you are now using the Magical Butter Machine to make your remedies faster and easier.